If you do not wish to control the charger using mobile app, you can also switch on the plug and charge mode either from the quick start option on the mobile app settings, or you can simply reset the charger by pressing the time and current buttons simultaneously for at least 3 seconds. To adjust the charging current or the power, press the current button for at least 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. Now, tap the current button to switch between different power modes available and select the desired option. To delay the starting time of charging session, press the time button for at least 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. Next, tap the time button again to set the number of hours of charging between 0 to 12 as per your need.